Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to create own dimension style in AutoCAD. So in this case I will just go here in annotation panel, and from here I will just click over here to activate this dimension style manager, or simply I just go here in annotate tab, and from here you can see one of the panel that is dimension. So this whole panel is regarding dimension, so we can just make modification for dimension from here as well. So simply I will click on this arrow. I will click over here and it will open just dimension style manager, and here you can see we have two styles, annotative style and standard style, and these are default style, and we want to just make new style. So in this case I will click over here on new, and from here I just give a name here as new style. So right now let me just give here a name as on dim style. Okay, then at here you can see a option as start with standard, so it's mean that it will just copy the whole data from standard style. Okay, so I will just press continue from here, and now the new dimension style means own dimension style dialog box is going to open, and from here we can just make modification. So first one is line, and obviously we have just see all of these options here. So in lines we can just make modification. For example, right now I need red color for lines, and we can change line type and line weight as well from here. And in extension line, as I told you before that what is extension line, we can just make modification here as well. So right now I do not need any extension line in this style, so I will just click over this option, and I will check this option fixed length extension lines. Okay, so you can see here extension lines are going to remove from here, and then I will go here in symbol and arrows option, and from here I can choose any of the arrow head. So I will click over here and I want to choose this dot. Okay, now the next we can just change the arrow size from here as well. So here all is okay. Now I will just go here in text option, and I want to change the text style from here. Okay, right now it is selected as standard, so I will click on this radio button, and from here I can just choose any of the style. Okay, so right now for example I want to choose here, let me choose here comics sense. Okay, this comic sense ms, and then font style as bold italic. Okay, and then I will just click over here set current, and then I will close this one. Now again we can just change the text color from here as well. Right now yellow is okay, and fill color from here as well. So if you will change the fill color, right now you will see here the preview. So right now I need none. Okay, and we can just draw frame around the text as well. So I will click over here, and you will see this is the frame around the text. So I do not need the frame, so I will uncheck this one. Now next we can just change the text placement. Right now vertical text is selected as centered, so we can just place it as above and outside as well. So I need a centered and horizontal as well centered. Okay, and here you can see the text alignment. Right now it is selected as horizontal. You can select as align with dimension line. So I will just click over here, and you will see here it is going to align with the dimension. Okay, and we can choose as ISO standard as well. Now the next I will go here in primary unit, and from here I can choose any of the unit as well. So right now the unit format is decimal. I need decimal, precision as 2 decimal place, and from here I will go here in angular dimension, and in unit formats as decimal degree we have degree, minute, second, radian and radians as well. Okay, so I need decimal degree, and the precision I do not need any precision here. Okay, so this is how you can just make modification here, and then I will just simply press OK from here, and I will select this dimension style, and I will click over here set current, and I will close this one. Now our own dimension style has been created. You can see here we have three style: annotative, own dimension style and standard as well. So right now I need own dimension style, so I will click over here to make it as current dimension style. Then I want to just create a dimension over here, so simply I will just take this dimension command from here, and I want to make a dimension over here, and you will notice here all settings are going to change. We have these arrowheads here dotted, and the dimension text as well. You will notice now I want to just create some angular dimension as well. So I will click over here and I want to choose this one and this one, and you will notice it has also been changed. Okay, so this is how we can just create our own dimension style in AutoCAD. Hope you understand this session. We'll see you in the next.